Hello. Today we'll learn double vowels and semivowel glides, where two sounds slide together. Let's begin. When two vowels join and sound like one, we call it a double vowel. Its key feature is that your mouth shape glides smoothly. Hidden at the front of a double vowel is a quick semivowel. There are two kinds, a glide from
이,
and a glide from
워,
or.
우,
First the
이,
glide. Slide quickly from
이,
to
아,
and you get
야,
the sound in
야,
ja. The same way
어,
becomes,
여, 워,
becomes,
요,
and
우,
becomes,
유,
all gliding gently from.
이,
Practice with words.
야,
In
야구,
baseball,
여,
in
여우,
fox,
요,
in
유리,
cooking,
유,
in
우유,
milk. Let your mouth glide.
예,
Also glides to
예,
and
예,
to,
예,
as in
얘기,
talk
예,
and
예,
manners.
예,
Now the
워, 우,
glide. Slide from
워,
아,
and you get
와,
과,
sound in
사과,
apple.
우,
Plus
어,
makes
워, 워,
plus
이,
makes
왜,
and
우,
plus
이,
makes.
위,
Round your lips then open. Practice.
와,
In
사과,
apple,
워,
in
샤워,
shower,
왜,
in
외투,
coat,
위,
in
가위,
scissors. Feel the round glide. Last is
위,
a special glide from.
을,
to.
이,
Pronounce it like the
의,
in
의자,
chair. In some,
야, 여, 요, 유, 와, 워, 위, 왜, 위.
are all double vowels made by a gliding semivowel. Remember the flow of your mouth. Today we learned double vowels and semivowel glides. Look for double vowels in words around you. See you next time.